Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year and happy Veganuary. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy recipe for tofu scrambled eggs and home fries. It's such an easy recipe that I had my 12-year-old help me make it. It's delicious, my whole family loves it, and I hope you do too. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so we're going to start with a 16-ounce block of firm tofu and crumble it up to a more of a scrambled egg texture. You can use your hands, a fork, or a potato masher. I just had my son use his hands. It's more fun that way. Now in a non-stick pan, we're going to heat up about a tablespoon of oil. Today I'm using grapeseed oil, and now I'm going to add the tofu. The great thing about tofu is that it doesn't really need cooking. So pretty much what we're doing here is mixing spices into it, giving it texture and warming it up. It is hard to just stop eating eggs, but this vegan version is a lot healthier with lots of proteins, lower in fat, and cholesterol free. And now we're going to start seasoning our tofu, starting with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, salt to taste. I put about 1/4 teaspoon. And pepper to taste as well. I started with a 1/8 teaspoon, but later on I added an additional 1/8. Total 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're going to mix it all in until the turmeric has evenly coated the tofu yellow, giving it a more realistic appearance of scrambled eggs. Turmeric has so many scientifically proven health benefits, so it's an amazing spice to add to your foods. Here's where I added the additional pepper, but feel free to put as much as you desire. And that's it as far as the tofu scramble. Very simple and super easy to do. And now we're going to move on to the home fries. Here we have 4 small potatoes. You can use 3 medium potatoes or 2 large ones. I only use 1/2 medium onion. I don't know why, but definitely put the whole onion. I also had a piece of leftover red pepper, so I put that in there as well. And I'm going to add some green onions to my fries and reserve some to garnish it. We started to peel the potatoes, but then we said, you know what, let's just eat them with the skin on. I mean, it's your preference here. So we just went ahead and started to cut them into small cubes. And now on another non-stick pan, we're going to heat up another 1 tablespoon of oil, and we're going to start cooking the potatoes. In the meantime, we're going to finely chop the onion and the red pepper. Now that the potatoes have been cooking for about 5 minutes, we're going to add the onions and let that cook together for about 4 minutes. Now we're going to add pepper and salt to taste. I added 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and salt. You can also add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, but it's optional. Now we're going to add the red pepper, stir everything together, pour in 1/4 cup of water, and then cover it with the lid. Any lid would do. This is the one I found nearby. And we're gonna keep it covered for about 5 more minutes until the potatoes are cooked. And lastly, we're going to add some chopped green onions and mix it all together. And that's all. It's ready to eat. Here's how I serve it on toast. I love it with ketchup and chopped green onions on top. And this is how I serve it on a plate without a toast. I also like it with ketchup and green onions on top. So this is it, guys. I hope you try making this delicious recipe, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell for more vegan recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. How is it?